In this tutorial I will show you how to make this letter portrait design in Photoshop. Let's subscribe my channel and get new video with every new day. Complete A to Z letter portraits videos. Follow the process. Pick image which you want to create letter portrait. Pick text tool. I'm using this font and download link in description. Select move tool. And click on these icons to center the letter. Resize your font as per your requirements. Duplicate selection by pressing Ctrl+J or Command+J. Change text color. Change text layer fill option to 0%. Choose stroke and follow these settings. Resize your image as per your requirements. Duplicate image by pressing Ctrl+J or Command+J. Click on mask icon. Remove unwanted area. Remove unwanted area. Invert selection by pressing Ctrl+Shift+I or Command+Shift+I. Remove unwanted area. Change gradient color from gradient editor using color picker. Apply gradients on background layer. Apply letter shadow effect using ellipse tool. Apply filter, select Gaussian blur. Reduce opacity to 60%. This is the final result, and thanks for watching.